Grilled ribs, the key to a delicious feast. Grilled ribs are an indispensable source of flavor for many people. A favorite with meat lovers, this delicious dish is the star of outdoor barbecue parties, especially in summer. But grilled ribs are an interesting subject, not only for their flavor, but also for their history and preparation methods. The most common types of meat for grilled ribs are beef and pork. These meats gain a special taste and texture when grilled. Here are some interesting facts about grilled ribs. History: the origins of grilled ribs date back to ancient times. People started cooking their meat when they could control the fire, and ribs became an essential part of that process. In ancient times, ribs were usually cooked over an open fire. Cooking techniques: grilled ribs can be prepared with different cooking techniques. Methods such as direct grilling, indirect grilling, and smoke cooking are used. Each method has its own unique flavor and texture. Marinating: grilled ribs are often marinated to enhance their flavor. Marinating is the process of keeping the meat in special sauces or spice mixtures. Thanks to this, the meat becomes more tasty and juicy. Diversity: grilled rib recipes vary around the world. Different spices, sauces, and cooking methods are used in each culture. For example, there are different recipes of grilled ribs such as barbecue sauce in the United States, bulgogi in Korea, and asado in Argentina. Healthy food: grilled ribs are a good source of protein and contain many essential nutrients for the body. However, it can cause health problems when consumed excessively, so it should be consumed as part of a balanced diet. Sauces and garnishes: grilled ribs are often further flavored with sauces, seasonings, and garnishes served with it. These sauces include barbecue sauce, mustard sauce, garlic yogurt, and more. As a result, grilled ribs exist as a dish that cheers people's palate for centuries. With its historical origins, diversity in different cultures, and delicious cooking methods, grilled ribs remain an indispensable favorite of meat lovers.